Hey everyone, it's Miss Kady, and I'd like for you to try to play the piano with me. This is a cool application called AI Duet, and it's a piano that responds to you. So all you have to do is take your cursor and click on play, and you have a keyboard here, and you can either use your cursor and just click on the keys. I am the blue, and the piano is the yellow, and it'll play music back to you. So you'll learn how to play together with the piano. You can either use your cursor or you can even make music on your keyboard. You press the keys on your keyboard. You don't need to know how to play the piano. You can just have fun and press whatever buttons you want, and the computer will play back to you the piano. So you make music together. All right, give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks.